Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to show how to secure your files without any app. First of all, go to Setting, then scroll down and click on Biometric and Security, then click on Secure Folder option and finish setup. I have fingerprint on my lock screen. That's why it's asking me to use fingerprint. You can leave it, choose security type, and set password or pattern or PIN as you wish. You have done all. Just wait some moment. Secure folder will be installed. It could take some moment. Please subscribe channel and press bell icon. Thank you. Go back to your app menu. You can see secure folder already added there. Open it using security you had set up. Click on Add app to lock your application. Please subscribe channel and press bell icon. Thank you. Click Add File. If you want to lock media, photos, videos, document, and any file which you want to lock. Click on Contact if you want to create secure contacts. You even can synchronize contact or simply create contact. Please subscribe channel and press bell icon. Thank you.